What's up, guys? It's Ivan from Skyrox Trading. Today we are going to continue to analyze Bitcoin price action, and as usual, before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be interpreted as a financial advice. It's just my own opinion. Today I decided to try a new format of video. I did not prepare something for this video. I am going just to analyze the price chart on every time frame, and we will try to understand which movement the market will show us in the nearest future. Okay, we can see that today the price demonstrated us the new dump. To be honest, I did not wait this dump. I thought that the bounce to our target of $35,000 started yesterday, and I was really surprised with this dump, and maybe it will change something in my trading decision. But let's start with a weekly time frame. We can see right here that divergence is confirmed, the bullish divergence on the MACD. This fact was known yesterday, and I told you about it. To be honest, this type of divergence is not so strong. This is not reversal divergence in my interpretation, because we can see divergence only with MACD histogram, but MACD lines continue to making lower lows, while the price also continue making lower lows. Thus, it's not a reversal divergence. I can show you how we can find the reversal divergence. For example, when the bear market started right here in November 2021, we can see that there was a bearish divergence with the MACD histogram, and also there was a bearish divergence with the MACD line. It's an extremely strong sign that the bull market end. And now I don't think that this prices is the bear market end. I think we will see another dump to 22k. It's too much to this level. Okay, but I'm still waiting for the bounce, because even this not so strong bullish divergence with the MACD histogram can lead at least bounce, at least huge bounce, really huge. It can be maybe 30%, maybe 20%. I don't think that we will see the dump, the crash, Bitcoin crash, the vertical Bitcoin crash from the current prices. I don't think so. Thus, I can see that the weekly chart now is bullish for me. It's a reversal. It's local reversal, slightly bullish. Also, we can see also this bullish hammer candlestick pattern on the high volume. It's also the reversal pattern, in which, in conjunction with the MACD histogram divergence, can lead really to the pump. Also, let's use the Fibonacci for the weekly time frame. When this downside impulse started, it finished, in my interpretation, when the market formed the three bullish candle. Okay, I will show you. This bullish candle was the first one. This is the second one, because this candle have the close above than the close of this first candle, and this was a third bullish candle with the close above the close of this first candle. This is a third bullish candle. Okay, thus we can interpret this as a swing high and this point as a swing low. Thus we can use the Fibonacci lines, Fibonacci levels from here to here. The price demonstrated as the correction exactly to 0.38 Fibonacci level with the the bearish doji. Why it's bearish? Because this pattern called the lack of, in this case, lack of demand when it appears on the uptrend. And after that we saw the another one pullback to the downside. And if we turn on the Fibonacci extension minus 18 and minus 0.27, we can see that the price went exactly to the zone 27 of the Fibonacci extension. And now, if we assume that this impulse ended right here, we can also draw the Fibonacci lines, Fibonacci levels. And our correction targets are 0.38, 0.5 and 0.618. At the least target here is the $35,000, the maximum target is $40,000. Now it's logically to see the pump to this zone, and after that the trend continuation to the zone 27 of this new Fibonacci impulse. In this case we will see bullish candles, and this Fibonacci will be confirmed. Okay, and these prices will be the bear market end in my interpretation. Again, also I want to remind you that now the market is in extreme fear. The fear and greed index fluctuates between 10 and maybe 14. It means that now everybody waiting for the crash to the $20,000. I continue read the comments on TradingView, and a lot of people hate me because of my bullish forecasts, because they're waiting 20k. I think that maybe they shorted the market when they're scared, or maybe they closed their long and they want to buy more at the lower prices, but the market will not follow their desires. That's all what I want to talk about weekly time frame. Let's take a look at the daily time frame now. On the daily time frame, the picture is really ugly. Yesterday it was really good because we saw this consolidation, and I suppose that this is a very strong signal that we found the local bottom above this support level, and we find it right here, and also formed, one second please, also formed this lack of supply pattern, and we also saw this huge bullish candle, but today all this bullish impulse engulfed by this huge red candle. I did not wait this. I'm still surprised. And if we close at this way, it will be very bearish sign, and we need to watch out the market every hour, maybe, because the dump can occur in every time. I don't believe that we will see this dump, but this bearish candle is really ugly for me. I have the confidence in the bullish scenario with the growth to the at least $35,000 only because of the weekly time frame signals, because they are stronger than daily time frame signals. It's obviously okay. Right here, what we can see right here. Here we can see that the very strong bullish signal is about to be flashed. Why? Because we can see this potential bullish divergence. If we will see the lower low, lower than this low, in this case I suppose that the histogram low will be higher than the previous one, and at the same time we will see the MACD lines will form the divergence with the price also. it enhances these bullish signals. As a result, this scenario for me is also appropriate. If we will see these prices, I will buy much more bitcoins, because now I have only 15% of deposit in the position, and if we see this dump, I will enter the position with maybe 50% of my deposit, because it will be very nice prices, and all after that we can see a really huge recovery. But it will not be the bear market end also, because bear market ends usually with the divergence, with the true enhanced bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, but not on the daily time frame. Okay, let's take a look at the 4-hourly chart. You know, the 4-hourly chart looks better than daily chart, because we saw this quick dump with this huge red candle on the 4-hourly chart. It looks like this red candle. After that we saw the consolidation, and finally the market pumped. It could be the manipulation, guys, because I saw this every time when the market is going to go even lower. It usually forms the small candles, such as any bounce, candle to the downside, bounce, candle to the downside, and finally it formed a huge red candle which broke the support zone. But now we saw this huge red candle from the upper band of this trading range. For me, it's not so bearish sign as it could be. And if we will see something like this, the consolidation with this small body 4-hourly candles, which will increase, I suppose it can lead to another one pump, and my scenario with the bounce to the 35k will finally plays out. Okay. What we can see on the 1-hourly time frame. On the 1-hourly time frame, we also see the consolidation. Obviously, it doesn't look so strong, but also we can see that the same picture was right here. We saw the massive consolidation with higher lows, and finally the price also pumped to the upside. Yesterday I told you that if you missed my entry point, you can use the Fibonacci levels from 0.38 to 0.618, and what we can see right here, the price broke down without any stoppage right here, and it forms the low even below the previous swing low. You know, guys, I saw this multiple times, this situation. It's in 95% it's a classical manipulation to scare the crowd on the market, because when the price formed the new lower low, everybody think that it's new downtrend, we will see the crash very soon, but the price now we staying at the same price level, and is not going to broke this level right now. I think we will see at least bounce at least to these targets, and only after that it will decide, will it crash even more, or will it play out my first scenario which I want to play out. I think my scenario with the bounce to 35k will plays out, because on the weekly time frame we still have this extremely bullish sign. Daily time frame is ugly really, but on the 4-hourly time frame we can see, and 1-hourly time frame we can see that it could be the classical manipulation. And also I want to remind you that on the extreme fear the market usually don't crash even more. We need to form the bull trap. We need the crowd to believe that Bitcoin will hit 50k, 60k, 100k. For this purpose, we need this bounce at least to 35, but I think it could be even higher to 40k. That's all what I wanted to tell you about. Thank you so much for attention. Please subscribe to the channel, support me with your likes, comments, activate the bell, and goodbye.